everyone, so today I'm doing these cute Fumo or Fimo cane nails. If you're interested to see how I did these, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my bare nails again, and I'm applying my coffin tips with the Macart gel base coat that comes in pretty much all of their polygel kits. The way I like to apply this is just by painting a thin coat of base coat onto my natural nails and then placing some in like the little well of the tip and then curing that under the light as I put that on my nail. So that's just the easiest way for me, and I'm using this shade called natural pink or light pink. I will have it on screen somewhere, and I'm basically going to put that all over the nails. I'm doing a thinner coat on some nails. I try to kind of go for like a see-through type look, but then what I like to do is I like to basically use the base coat as stip solution. Macart recommends doing this as well, and for some reason I've never tried this before, but as I tried this in this video I was like so amazed because it's just so easy. Like, it just saves so much time, and I feel like my brush is always on my nail. I don't have to like wipe it away on a paper towel and re-dip in like the slip solution or anything. I just have to apply more gel base coat if I have to. But yeah, this is a really fast method. I don't know why I've not tried this out, but yes, Macart recommends to do this if you read like their instructions or if you look on their website. So do follow that if you want to. Of course you can also use like stip solution or rubbing alcohol or acetone as well works. So I'm basically gonna do a thin coat of this, and as you can tell it's really easy to move around. All Macart polygels are pretty easy to move around. I absolutely love the shade. This is from their classic polygel kit, and all of these are like nude type of natural kind of colors. And here I am. Once I've done with my application, I've left the polygel uncured so it's nice and wet, and I'm going in with some of my Fimo canes that I got a really long time ago from Amazon, so I will be linking these down below. And I was initially going for like a fruit kind of look, but then I saw so many other like cute pieces in there that I was like, I have to put some other stuff on there as well. I didn't go overboard because I wanted to incorporate my flakes, which I absolutely love. I've been so obsessed with flakes recently, and I don't know, I just really love that kind of shift in color. Like under the light you'll see it as soon as I'm applying this. Like I don't know, I really like that iridescent kind of look. And yeah, I'm basically applying this all over my nail and going over with this cute heart Fimo cane, sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, on my nail, just to kind of take away from the fruity kind of look. And I really liked how these turned out. I was really wanting to do some type of 3D type nails, so I might actually, my next video might actually be some more 3D nails. Like, let me know down below if that's what you would like to see. Also to let you know, I have ordered in some more Macart polygel, which I'm really excited about, so let me know down below if there's any kind of looks that you want me to create, and I will be more than happy to do that. So as you can see, the nails look really good already. I really love these flakes, they're so beautiful. So now I'm going in with clear. I've already cured these for 60 seconds, and I'm going in with the Macart clear polygel from the kit. I think every kit comes with a clear, or most do, I'm not sure, but you can buy this individually as well from Amazon or their website. So if you are interested in buying some Macart products, then you can most definitely use my code nailedbyk. It's going to be on screen, and you can get yourself 15% off. That's 15, and yeah, because who doesn't want a discount? And I am basically doing the same method where I am using the base coat to blend out or smooth out the polygel. The clear to me was like much easier to work with. Like, it's already so easy to work with, but for some reason I just find like the clear is just easier for me. I'm not sure why, that might just be me. But yes, super quick, super easy to do. This took me no time at all. And yes, as you can see, this clear is very clear. It's probably the clearest clear that I've used. I've tried Saviland, if you've seen from my previous videos, and I found that one was kind of cloudy, but Makart's clear has to be the best I've used so far. So if you want some cheap, good, clear polygel, then Makart is the way to go. Remember, you can use my discount code nailedbyk if you want 15% off your order. So here I thought I'd balance my hand on something, because it was kind of, I was kind of moving all over the place. I'm kind of thinking of getting like a cute little piece to put my hand on. Let me know down below if you know like what I could put my hand on, because I don't know right now. I'm just thinking of like the bottles I use for the products I have, but I wanted to try and use and place my hand on something cute. So let me know down below if you know anything, and I might just, look into it and get it, because I feel like I've been wanting to change up my background and change up maybe some angles as well. I only have one camera though, so it might be a bit difficult to get different shots, but I will try my best. Let me know down below what you guys think of my current filming angle, if there's anything you want me to change, if there's any specific background you would like me to use, or I don't know, just let me know what you think. So now I'm going to file, and filing is very quick for me because I like to apply my polygel super smooth and super even, so that I reduce my filing time. And here I'm just using this drill bit set piece that I got from Amazon. It's not from Makart, but it's absolutely amazing. The drill I'm using is the JD 700 drill from Makart, which is really good. I've had it for like almost 2 years now, over that, because it's just really good, and it never it's never failed me. Like, it's just always there when I need it. It's really powerful, and it's also got a really nice low speed as well. And this bit is I'm not sure what this is called, like a cone bit or something. And sorry if you hear like noises in the background, I'm really sorry about that. And it's basically, yes, as I was saying, like a cone type bit, and it's a medium grit. This polygel is quite easy to file, but I kind of applied it a bit thick, so I wanted to debulk a bit quicker, so I used a medium bit, but usually I'd use like a fine safety bit as well. So it depends on how and what you want to file, I guess. But yes, these bits are absolutely amazing. They're very close to the Melody Susie, and I think the Makart ones as well, so I will definitely recommend you check those out down below. They're absolutely amazing as well. And yeah, I really liked how this set turned out. My favorite finger so far, it has to be my thumb. Let me know down below which finger is your favorite. Mine is definitely my thumb, because it's got like that pink flake and the fruit, whereas the others don't. They've just got either the fruit or the flake with like a heart. So yes, I wish I had put more flakes on, although I wanted to keep it a little bit simple. And here I am wiping away the dust. I also kind of filed the edges and buffed the surface of the nail. And now for the most satisfying part is top coat. So yes, the flakes really come out. They are so nice, and they are just, I don't know, I really like this set, guys. Let me know what you think. I really like how when you apply top coat, you just see like the shine and the iridescence of those flakes. Really nice. And I like how simple and toned down the polygel is. Like, you can kind of see my natural nails through it, which I don't mind, because from a distance they look really natural. But yes, I really like all the polygels from this kit. It's the classic kit that I'm using right now, and yes, I don't know what else to say. It's just all really nice. So yes, I added some top coat, some cuticle oil, and that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think down below. I absolutely loved these nails. Yes, don't forget to use my discount code, and here's another look of them. I absolutely love. Okay guys, this is the thumb as well. Looks really cute with all those oranges, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.